If you want to hear more about the Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker, and if you want to hear more on our thoughts on other products, then you should consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell, so you can receive notifications when we upload new content. Needy Cat Media is dedicated to providing you with honest product reviews and helpful recommendations. Stay tuned, and let's talk coffee. This is the Keurig K Elite model, and you can find it on Amazon.com for approximately $150. The total height, it stands 16.5 inches in total height, and that is with the top open. So depending on where you are planning on putting this on your kitchen counter, I'd recommend you make sure you have the space. Now this is sitting on top of a coffee holder, so it's probably adding another 3 inches to the total height. So again, it's really important that you guys are watching that. Now with the lid down, from here to here, it's 13 inches. The total depth from the front to the back is 12.7 inches. And on the left side, this is where the water goes. It takes a half a gallon of water. You simply take the cover off and pour in your water. Put your lid back on. Now, as you can see, this does have a water filter. One great thing about this machine, it'll notify you when the charcoal filter needs to be replaced. The filter can also be found on Amazon.com. I'll have a link in the description for you. If you decide to order this one, I would highly recommend you spend the additional few dollars and order them as well. Why not? No reason to wait. You'll need them later. So let's look at the top. First, you have your power button. Then next down you have your settings button. You also have a clock. And then you have your up and down arrows. Now if you are in the process of making a cup of coffee or any of these lights are lit up, the settings button won't work. But if you're not doing anything and you want to do that, then you can start setting these, and you just simply click through them and you're done. Next is your adding water and your descale indicators. Now again, this is a pretty smart machine, so it's going to tell you when your water level goes below a certain amount, and then also it'll tell you when the machine needs cleaned. And when we say cleaned, it's not only just the water piece, but also all the internal components. And to clean that, just run some simple vinegar through the machine a couple times, and then run regular water through it until the vinegar is completely gone, and that'll descale it. So the next is your straw, and then you also have your hot water, so in case you want some tea, hot cocoa, what have you. Then down below that is your different sizes. So this goes from a 4 ounce to a 12 ounce, and these are just 2 ounces for each of these. And of course, if you want something that's iced, you can click on the iced button. Not everybody wants, you want iced tea or something like that, you can do that. But the machine is pretty simple. You simply add your cup, McCafe, good coffee. No, I'm not getting paid because I use McCoffee, but that's what my wife and I like, so I just wanted to kind of throw it in there. Close it up. Turn it on. Put your coffee in. Close it up. Can you hear that? It's already starting to heat the water. I pick on the straw. I do my 10 ounces, And in less than, I'd say, probably about 60 seconds, we'll have some coffee. So what's my overall impression? This is the second Keurig that we've had. And I'd have to say that the K Elite we've had for something around 16 months, and I can say we absolutely love it. The part I like the most, we like the most, is the ability to make your coffee strong, which is the button here, and going right for, you know, the size that we use. This is a 16-ounce cup. We picked 12 because we like to add some creamer to it, and it's a great unit. We're big coffee drinkers, so this works well for us, and comes with a 5-star Needy Cat Media recommendation from us. We have included links below in our description for anything that you might need to get started. So feel free to go out there. Our website is www.needycatmedia.com. Once again, please consider subscribing to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications on all of our content. We got coffee. And until next time, gang, thank you for watching. Be safe and stay healthy.